Let's learn how to create text files using using output redirection. So most of you guys probably have ready text files, and if you watch my channel, you watch me explain how to do it, to use it with VI, Pico, Nano, VIM, all of that good stuff. But now we're going to learn how to redirect output to a text file. And it's quite simple and can be quite useful for some situations, because some situations require that you do this process to alter the content of a quote-unquote text files, because some files are not actually text. There are system files like on the proc folder, on the sys folder, or on the dev folder, but that's another topic. But if you want to add contents to a text file without going through the interactive process of using a text editor, this is how you do it. So let's do something really simple. Let's create a folder called redirect. Let's get in there, and we have an empty folder, nothing special here. So let's say, for example, we have the command called uptime. This will show you, well, how long this machine has been up and all that good stuff. So what you do is just to do the bigger than, and do whatever text file name we want to do. And now the content of that file, it's actually the output of the previous file. So instead of going to the screen, the output of the uptime is going to a text file. You can also do the technique called bigger than. This will append to the file, because if you only use one bigger than, this will override the file. So there are some variations of this, but I will leave that for another video. So this is redirecting the full success output to a file. You can redirect unsuccess or errors to a file too, but that's for another video, for another day. So if you do this, it will just add to the file. If you put two bigger thans, this will append to the file. Okay, pretty nice. Which means you can append multiple outputs to it. So for example, you can do the uname, and you can redirect the uname to the same file, and then you have two pieces of information. So if you want just to make things look a little bit prettier, you just create the file with the uptime, then you add the uname, and now you have a text file with two pieces of information added to it. So bigger than will redirect the output, bigger than will append the output to a specified text file. This allows you to add, especially the bigger than, which adds contents to a file, system file, or text file. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, it really helps.